Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Now we are going to learn how we are going to delete a sales order via Node.js API, Zoho CRM. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So let's copy this and I'm going to use this one. Only the simple function, right? So delete a sales order which accepts an ID. So here we go with ID. So I'm going to use this ID, okay, to delete that one. Okay, let me put that into the code, and what required is a delete and sales order headers we have to pass. In the data you have to pass, you can delete multiple using the array, right? Okay, so save it and let's try to. Here you can see that we have one record. If I just run this, it should be deleted. Okay, so node, and here you can see, oh, required parameter missing, that should be id. One more expected parameter is missing, so I don't need the ids. I will go with id only because you don't have the array. Let's have a look, and here we go with this. One of the expected parameter is missing. Which one? We are doing the sales order, right? So let me just copy this, and what I'm missing. Yes, there is a missing of this one. In is added. Okay, let's try to run this. Mm, let's add this. It should be multiple, but I'm going to send it a single. I think it should run now. Required parameter, that required param is missing. But what is missing? What I'm sending? ID is there. Let's check my previous delete how they are working. Here you can see that you have to go with params, right? So it's be passing like this. Let's see how we are passing the params. We require headers. Yeah, it should be like IDs. Header block should be closed, and it should be like this header. After this, we are going to add this. Let's have a look. So here we have a headers. Now we have to make it like params, IDs with ID. Okay, let's have a look. Hope so. Yeah, now it's deleted. And if I go, and there will be no record is found. This actually cannot be performed. Okay, so there would be no sales order currently. Here you can see all are deleted. So this is how you are able to delete the sales order by ID. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.